Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites: your phone with the registered SIM, your Google Pay PIN, and the specific UPI ID or bank account you want to unlink. Now open Google Pay and tap your profile icon at the top right. Once done, select Payment Methods to view linked bank accounts and UPI ID. This puts you directly into the list of active links. Make sure you identify the exact account or VPA so you don't unlink the wrong one. You now locate the specific bank account or UPI address in the Payment Methods list and tap it to open details. Next, choose the Remove Account or Unlink UPI option shown in the menu. This initiates the unlink process and tells the app to stop routing transactions through that VPA. When prompted, confirm the action and enter your Google Pay PIN to authenticate. Once authenticated, Google Pay will process the request and display a success message when the link is removed. Finish by returning to Payment Methods and verifying that the bank account or UPI ID no longer appears in the list. This confirms unlinking worked. If you still see the VPA or payments continue, force close and reopen the app, then sign out and sign back in to refresh settings. If problems persist, contact your bank and Google Pay support. There may be a pending verification or backend hold. Provide transaction ID and screenshots so they can resolve the unlinking.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.